Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this easy skinny scarf that can be used as a scarf or a belt. You could also use this to make a purse handle. And you can wear this skinny accessory as casual or dressy. And you can use any size yarn and any size hook. So let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really easy skinny scarves. And you can make them plain, or you can add some beads. If you don't have beads, at random you can tie some knots. And if you don't want to do that, you can just use them plain. So you can use any size yarn and any size hook to make these. For this one, I used this yarn, Mainstays, and it really feels like cotton even though it's an acrylic yarn, and this is available at Walmart. And to make this one I used a fluffy yarn, and that was this Yarn Inspirations Karen Latte Cakes, and it has a variety of colors throughout the ball. So I'm going to get started and show you how easy these are to make. And for both of these, I'll use the 6mm crochet hook. So I'm going to start with a slip knot, chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 6. Now I'm going to make a triple crochet, and that is the yarn around the hook 2 times. And I'm going to go into the second stitch from the end, and I'm going to work a triple crochet. And then I'm going to make a triple crochet in the last stitch. Yarn around the hook 2 times, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through the remaining 2. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Yarn around the hook 2 times, triple crochet in the top of that triple crochet. Yarn around the hook 2 times, go to the top of that turning chain and work a triple crochet. And every row will be exactly the same. It's going to be chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. Yarn around the hook 2 times, triple crochet in the top of that triple crochet. Yarn around the hook 2 times, find the top of that turning chain, and work a triple crochet. And that's how that looks. So you're just going to keep repeating that row over and over until you have the scarf as long as you would like it to be. And I have this finished one here. And I worked it 36 inches long, so 18 inches when folded. And if you're going to add knots, you'll need approximately 6 to 7 inches for each of the knots. And you can make as many knots as you would like. You could add knots anywhere along the length, like that. And for this one, where I passed on some beads, I'll show you how to do that because it gets a little tight. So to pass a bead on, it has a smallish hole. So I've folded a piece of wire in half. If you don't have wire, you could probably use some dental floss. So I'm just going to pass that through the end and then place my bead on. And you're going to pull really firmly to pass that on. And then you can just place it wherever you would like it to be. And it's easily moved, but it's not going to fall off either. So that's how you'll pass beads on if you want to add those to your scarf. You could also use this to make a purse handle. And you can wear the skinny accessory as casual or dressy. And you can use any size yarn and any size hook.